your Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely curry king prawn served with some rice and uni potato, string bean at the side. Mwah. You're gonna love it. Well, thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We always have your recipe. Ask for you like, we will make it for you guys. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. It's very important. And thank you very much. Now I'm gonna turn on my stove. Make it get hot. Do the same thing at home, guys. Get your curry king prawn, and let's cook up some food and make you happy. This is the king prawn right here, guys. We're gonna make you a nice lovely curry king prawn. Right over here we have some veg, spring onion and white onion. Right over here we got some new potato. We just cook them off. All you need to do is just cut them into half and cook them off for one nice good 15 minutes until they get soft. Prawn. Right over here is the pot. So pot on the stove, put a little bit more heat, medium size. So first of all, let's put some olive oil inside of the frying pan. Empty all of my olive oil straight inside of it. As you can see, I just put in the olive oil. I just cut up a small white onion, 2 small white onion and 2 stalks of spring onion. I want to say, guys, you will love this recipe. You know the reason why? It's a really nice recipe. So take off the onion inside of the oil for roughly 2 minutes on a medium sized heat. Second thing, in the meantime, put some garlic. I got some blend up garlic. Put some garlic straight inside of it just to bring up the flavor. Give it a little stir. Nice one. So you can see the onion fried up. Now I'm gonna put a teaspoon of curry powder. Give it a little stir. Get the curry powder burned up inside of the pot. Just like this. Nice one. Next, let's put a pinch of fish seasoning. A little bit of everyday seasoning. And a pinch of all-purpose seasoning. Give it a nice, lovely stir. And you're making a nice, lovely curry king prawn, guys. You're gonna love this one. Then next, what you can simply do now, I have 2 packs of prawn, which is 2 kilos. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it like this. Give it a stir. Everything should be changing color. The next, simple, put a pinch of pepper. Not too much pepper. Nice. So, as you can see, looking so lovely and nice. Next thing, what we're gonna do, put a little bit of butter. Bring up the flavor with a little bit of butter. Just a little pinch of butter inside of it to bring up the flavor. Looking so lovely and nice. So I got a little bit of new potato, just add it to it.
This is really nice, guys.
Enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel.
This is nice.
Now this is finished. I'm gonna share it out and let you guys see what I'm talking about. Lovely and nice. Look at this beautiful king prawn with potato and some veg at the side and some plain white rice. Guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like the recipe, please request what you like and I will make it for you. Lovely one. As you can see, the difference between the rice, the green bean and the curry king prawn. Guys, I know you will like this one. It's really nice, beautiful looking, so lovely and good. So hopefully you just subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We have a lot more recipe coming up for you. The bean, I will put the link below where you can see how to make the bean. It's butter bean, it's butter string bean, really nice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye.